This is Rocky Mountain Television. We're going to go around and see who is snoring the loudest. At this time, it's probably only 12:30. But we've got Scott Jones. I don't think that he's even sleeping yet. No, he's not. This is CJ Bame right here. I'm not sleeping, but I'm going to see who it is. Oh, somebody's snoring big time over there. I think we're going to need a flashlight. Let's see if we can spot a flashlight. Oh, we got pants falling on the ground. Pants on the ground. Pants on the ground. Flashlight's on the shelf. Okay, let's go take a look. Here we have Kevin Stedman. There's Kevin Stedman. There's Jerry Crabb. That's Jerry Crabb. Without a cat, I should say. Should add without a cat. Up here's. There's the red light. It's alien. E.T. phone home. Wolf. I'm recording, Wolf. What do you have to say about all these snorers? Wolf said he can't sleep. Is Ryan, is Moss Man out? Moss Man's out. He's not snoring at the moment. Let's see what else we have. Our musician equipment from the night. Oh, we have some Modelo Especial, some other 90 brews, Coors Light. That's the official brew. Some other musical instruments. And this is the winding staircase. Alright, well, I'm going to say goodnight to everybody. Snoring Kevin, got him. Snoring Griff, got him. Wolf with the red light, Moss. Check in, see if Look who's snoring already. Got
snoring, can't breathe.
Can't breathe.
Sorry, my head up 18 inches. See this hat?
There you go. Alright, that's the last night. Colorado. Colorado, Rocky Mountain. Oh, we've got me right here. So good night, everybody. This is last night, September the 6th, 2010, in the most awesomest camp in the history of the world. We'll see you when we're not snoring.